China and Russia vetoed a US-led bid at the United Nations to toughen sanctions on North Korea over its missile launches, laying bare divisions that Western envoys fear would be exploited by Pyongyang. The Security Council resolution put forward by the United States would have reduced the amount of oil North Korea could legally import as punishment for a test of an intercontinental ballistic missile. China, the closest ally of North Korea, and Russia, said they would have preferred non-binding statement rather than a fresh resolution with teeth against Pyongyang. The United States should not place one-sided emphasis on the implementation of sanctions alone. It should also work to promote a political solution, said China's ambassador to the United Nations. He warned that sanctions would cause an escalation and humanitarian consequences for North Korea, one of the world's most closed societies, which recently announced a COVID outbreak.